In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're customizing a PDF for work or adding personal touches to a document, knowing how to incorporate images can really enhance the final product's impact. So, let's walk through this process together, and by the end you'll be a pro at adding images to your PDFs. First things first, you need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you have the file readily accessible and simply double click on it, or you can open it from within Acrobat by going to File and then Open. Once your document is loaded, you should see it displayed on the screen. Now, let's move on to the action part, shall we? Look up to the top of your screen. There you'll see the toolbar, which is packed with all the tools Acrobat provides. Click on Edit from these options. This button is your gateway to making all sorts of changes to your document. Now that you're in the editing mode, you'll want to focus on the section labeled Add Content. In this section, you'll find a little icon that looks like a picture. This is your image tool. Give that a click. This tool allows you to add images into your document with ease. A window will appear giving you the option to select an image from your device. Take a moment now to navigate through your files and locate the desired image you wish to insert. Once you've made your selection, click Open, and Adobe Acrobat will work its magic to bring your picture into the PDF environment. At this point, your image is ready to be positioned. Acrobat lets you decide exactly where you want to place it. Simply move your cursor to where you'd like the image to appear in the document. Click once and voila. Your image is placed there. It might not be the perfect size on the first try, and that's totally fine. Adjustments are easy to make. With your image selected, click and hold on one of the corners of the image. You'll see the cursor change to a resize icon. Now drag the corners in or out to alter the size of your image until it fits perfectly within your document. Remember, you can resize from any of the corners to maintain the aspect ratio of your image. Try to position and scale your picture so that it complements your document without overwhelming it. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted an image into your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Feel free to play around with different sizes and placements until you find what works best for your needs. Mastering this technique opens doors to limitless possibilities in enhancing and personalizing your PDF documents. Thank you so much for watching, and happy editing.